Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in Raya dating app. First, make sure you are already have a Raya account and that's your have been approved. If you are not approved yet, you won't be able to log in. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on Raya app to open it. On the lock screen, Raya will ask you for your phone number. Enter the same phone number you in your applied or sign up. Then tap continue. Then Raya will send you a text message with a verification code. Check your message, then go back to the Raya app and enter the code. This is how Raya confirm it really. Once the code is accepted, Raya will log it to you automatically. If your membership is active, you will go straight to the main screen where you can start browsing profile. If you don't have received the code, make sure your phone number is correct. Check your signal or Wi-Fi, wait a minute and try again. If you still can't log in, tap help or contact support on your home screen. And that's how you log into Raya Dating app on iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.